Welcome back to Cryptowhizz, your number one stop place for your knowledge on cryptocurrency and blockchain. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel as we provide the latest and greatest in crypto. In this video, we'll go over how to create your own cryptocurrency. Now, let's get right to the video. If you are asking yourself, what is cryptocurrency? It's essential first to understand what it is. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual tokens that use cryptography to secure their transactions and control the creation of new units. In addition, they are decentralized, which means they are not subject to government or financial institution control. Even though they are considered decentralized digital currencies, the Securities and Exchange Commission has said that they consider Bitcoin and Ethereum to be decentralized and safe. Cryptocurrencies are also global, making them an attractive investment for people in different countries. Finally, cryptocurrencies are secure and anonymous, which makes them a good choice for people who want to keep their transactions private. That brings us to the nexus of this video, which is why small business owners might want to create their own crypto. Turns out there are several reasons for it, and here are a few main ones to consider. Savings and security. You want to create a currency that is not subject to inflationary pressures or government regulation. For loyalty programs, you want to create a new type of loyalty program for your customers. Raise funds. Having your own crypto can be helpful for raising funds for new businesses or projects. Brand awareness. A cryptocurrency can be a great way to raise awareness for your brand. It's the future. Fortune rewards the bold, so you'll want to get ahead of the curve and be an early adopter of this new technology. Now that we've answered the question, why create a cryptocurrency? Let's look at some methods of cryptocurrency creation. Make your own blockchain. You can create blockchain-based currency from scratch to support native crypto, and this method gives you the most design freedom. However, creating a new blockchain isn't just a few clicks and you're done. The process is very complex and requires at least basic coding skills and an in-depth understanding of blockchain. If you're not a programmer, you can hire someone to create your blockchain for you. There are also online services that will allow you to create a blockchain without any coding required. Change the code of existing blockchain technology. The second way you can create your own cryptocurrency is to change the code of an existing blockchain. For example, you can fork the code of an existing cryptocurrency to create and launch a new currency. This method is less complex than creating a new blockchain from scratch. However, it's still technical and requires programming skills. You'll also need to have a good understanding of how blockchain works before you can make changes to the code. It's also not a bad idea to understand the existing blockchain infrastructure of the platform you're working with, since blockchain needs an infrastructure. If you are entirely new to this part, you might want to take a few blockchain courses before you deep dive headfirst into its infrastructure requirements. Create a new cryptocurrency on an existing platform. The third way to create a cryptocurrency is to create a new currency on an existing blockchain platform. This method is less technical than the others and doesn't require as much programming knowledge. What results from creating a new currency on the blockchain is called a token, a form of digital cash that isn't native to the blockchain it will operate on. When it comes to cryptocurrency development, the most dominant pathway for creating new cryptocurrency on an existing blockchain is through the Ethereum blockchain. When you create a token this way, it is called an ERC20 token. Once you've created your ERC20, you'll need to get it listed on cryptocurrency exchanges so people can buy and sell it. This can be a complex and costly process. Now that we've looked at some ways to create a cryptocurrency, let's answer the question, how to make a cryptocurrency. As mentioned earlier, the first decentralized digital currency was Bitcoin. It was a rip-roaring success, and the blockchain ecosystem continues to grow. Unfortunately, that doesn't mean everyone's endeavors to make crypto are going to be met with wild success. In fact, many of those with an initial coin offering have failed to raise enough funding or gone out of business after their launch. To help keep that from happening to you, here is a step-by-step guide on making a cryptocurrency that can help you successfully launch your own. 1. Define your objectives. The first step is to think about what you want your cryptocurrency to achieve. Do you want it to be used as a payment system? A store of value? Think about what problem your currency will solve that other cryptocurrencies don't. This will help you create a unique selling proposition, USP, for your coin. For example, Bitcoin was created as a decentralized alternative to fiat currencies. Ethereum, on the other hand, was designed to be a platform that allows developers to create decentralized applications. Once you've defined your objectives, you'll need to come up with a name and logo for your currency. You'll also need to create a website and white paper. The website should explain what your currency is and how it works. The white paper, on the other hand, will go into more detail about your project. It's important to make sure that both your website and white paper are clear, concise, and free of technical jargon. If people can't understand what your project is trying to achieve, they're not going to invest in it. 2. Design a consensus mechanism. The next step is to design a consensus mechanism. This is how your cryptocurrency will reach a consensus on the state of the blockchain. There are two main types of consensus mechanisms: proof of work, POW, and proof of stake, POS. Proof of work is the most common type of consensus mechanism. It's the system that Bitcoin and most other cryptocurrencies use. Under a POW system, miners compete against each other to validate transactions and add blocks to the blockchain. The miner who adds a block to the blockchain is rewarded with cryptocurrency. Proof of stake, on the other hand, doesn't require miners to compete against each other. Instead, the system relies on validators who stake their cryptocurrency to verify transactions. The more cryptocurrency a validator has staked, the more weight their vote carries. The beauty of POS is that it's much more energy efficient than POW. 3. Choose a blockchain platform. Once you've decided which consensus mechanism you're going to use, you'll need to choose your own blockchain platform. If you want to use a POW consensus mechanism, the Bitcoin blockchain is the obvious choice. However, if you want to use POS, there are a number of different platforms to choose from, including Ethereum, Cardano, and the Speedy EOS. 4. Create the nodes. Once you've chosen a platform, you'll need to download the software and set up a node. A node is a computer that stores a copy of the blockchain and helps to validate and relay transactions. If you're running a POW system, you'll also need to join a mining pool. A mining pool is a group of miners who work together to mine blocks and share the rewards. 5. Generate a wallet address. Once you've set up your node, you'll need to generate a wallet address with the best cryptocurrency wallet option. This is where people will send funds when they want to buy your cryptocurrency. You can generate a wallet address using an online service or by running the software on your computer. 6. Design the internal architecture. The next step is to design the internal architecture of your cryptocurrency. This includes things like the transaction format, network protocol, and consensus algorithm. You'll also need to decide how many coins you're going to create. This is known as your coin supply. It's important to strike a balance here. If you create too many coins, they're likely to be worth very little. On the other hand, if you create too few, people might not be able to buy them all. 7. Integrate the APIs. Once you've designed the internal architecture of your cryptocurrency, you'll need to integrate the APIs. The API, Application Programming Interface, allows different software applications to communicate with each other. For example, if you want to use a POW system, you'll need to integrate the Bitcoin API. This will allow your cryptocurrency to interact with the Bitcoin blockchain. If you want to use a POS system, you'll need to integrate the Ethereum API. This will allow your cryptocurrency to interact with the Ethereum blockchain. Once you've integrated the APIs, you're almost ready to launch your cryptocurrency. 8. Make your cryptocurrency legal. The final step is to make your cryptocurrency legal, and there are defined rules for legalizing coin creation. This involves setting up a company and getting a license from the government. You'll also need to register your cryptocurrency with the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network. This is the U.S. government agency responsible for combating money laundering and terrorist financing. Lastly, keep in mind that cryptocurrency is banned in some countries, so you'll need to research the laws in your jurisdiction before its launch. Once you've done all of this, congratulations! You're ready to launch your cryptocurrency. If you liked this video, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to Cryptowhizz, the #1 stop place for your knowledge on cryptocurrency and blockchain. Don't forget to comment down on this video any topic you'd like for us to cover. And remember not to take anything as financial advice.